Hello you guys, Interstate here, and I got another package. It's the Hauwai U3900 on Consumer Cellular. So without further ado, let me just tear a hole right here. And we just peel across here like that. Now I can stick my hand in there. Getting this open with one hand will not be easy. Alright, you guys. Here it is right here. As you can see right there, Consumer Cellular. This phone is in nice condition. Yeah, look at that. That is very nice. I will do a separate video of this phone starting up and shutting down. I will test everything on this phone off camera, and then I'll do a separate video on it. Alright, so stay tuned. This was the unboxing of the Hauwai U3900 on Consumer Cellular. Share the video with people you know like this type of content. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to upload new videos every 1 to 3 days. And like the video to get my channel more recognition. Take it easy. Take care.